Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a fingerprint time recorder. First, carefully unpack your new device and connect the power adapter to a stable power source. Once powered on, the recorder will guide you through initial configuration. It's crucial to set the correct date, time, and preferred language. Finally, create a strong administrator password to protect your settings and ensure only authorized personnel can make changes. This foundational step takes only a few minutes, but is vital for accurate timekeeping. Now, let's move on to enrolling users. Navigate to the User Management section on your device. For each employee, you will assign a unique identification number. Instruct them to place their chosen finger, typically an index finger, firmly on the scanner. The device usually requires 3 successful scans to capture a complete fingerprint template. Confirm each enrollment before proceeding to the next employee, ensuring everyone is properly registered for accurate clock-ins and outs. Next, we'll connect your time recorder to the network. You can typically use an Ethernet cable for a stable wired connection or configure Wi-Fi if available. Once connected, install the provided management software on your computer. This software allows you to synchronize the device and download attendance records. It's recommended to download data daily or weekly, depending on your payroll cycle, to ensure all employee hours are accurately captured and processed. For daily operation, remind employees to place their finger flat and centered on the scanner for a quick, accurate read. Regular maintenance is simple. Gently wipe the fingerprint sensor with a soft, dry cloth to prevent dust buildup, perhaps once every 2 weeks. Crucially, establish a routine for backing up your attendance data, ideally to an external drive, at least once a month. Finally, consistently review attendance reports to ensure accuracy and compliance with company policies.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.